Hey guys, and welcome to a random but a very effective with a bunch of organization, a bunch of decluttering, a bunch of just setting the right mood to start the year. And that's because today we are decluttering my closet. So I'm just gonna sit right here in between the mess because I want to explain what's gonna happen. I just bought here some organization things and then some more over here. So the first step for this vlog is just do a little haul and explaining how I envision these to look like. But basically I just really want to declutter everything because this has been just a piece of my bedroom that I'm not proud of for many years. That I want to do is to declutter everything, to just make it my small business corner, the things that I want to hide, and also DIYs and a bunch of paintings, a bunch of just random things that I normally use whenever I'm DIYing something or doing small business related stuff, because I have a small business corner over there, but that's not enough for the things that I sell and do. And so I just want to have a part of my bedroom where things can be hidden and just can be very decluttered, minimalistic, and with tabs. We are going to make personalized tabs to just identify everything. Welcome to today's vlog. If you don't know me, I'm sorry, I didn't even introduce myself. Hi, I'm Tita. Welcome to this vlog. Welcome to decluttering my life. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, if you like cleaning, if you like just decluttering, if you like to have these reset kind of vlog, if you love this type of content, just stick around. I really want this to be a stress-free vlog just because of how much stress this is causing me right now. So let's just, you know, reduce anxiety, reduce stress, put some calm music on, and declutter my bedroom. First, I just want to really just to give you an overall shopping haul that I did. I've been just buying some stuff over the last months, and so I just really wanted to show you these two organizers. This is one and then this is the other. These are the same. And I also DIY'd these two boxes and I don't have space for them, so probably we'll end up using these in that space, but we shall see. And the other thing that I also bought was just these. This is a very random piece of furniture, if you may call it, but it's just I want to replace the one that I have on the back of my door because it's kind of cluttered and the hooks are very small, so it doesn't really hold much clothes, and so this one is perfect for that. I also bought these organizers for the drawers over there because we are not only going to organize my closet, we are also going to organize my little drawer over there. And so I bought these to just put like pencils, pens, everything very organized. The last things that I bought were just these containers, 3 little ones, and I think they're perfect for small business stuff. If you know, you know. But these are just like this. I really love them. They were not expensive, so I went a little bit crazy with the quantities. I may not need every single one, but I will eventually. I think would be perfect for all the cables that I have there. And basically that's everything that I bought. I think with these I can organize a little bit better my life, but we shall see. This video is going to be recorded a little bit every day just because I have work, YouTube, and Instagram and small business and everything to do, and also social life-ish. So yeah, I'll do the best that I can to just be quick, but you never know. I never know what to find in there, and I hope you guys liked it. Now let's get organized. Let's go. My anxiety is something. finally I took everything out of the closet. Now I just have to clean it and to be good to go. Then I just want to go through everything and with a trash bag just put things for trash, recycle. So excited to see everything cleaned and organized, you guys. Oh, I love organization. I still need to buy more dividers, I think. I think I'm going to be buying more 2 of these and just stack them like here. Just need more 2 and then we'll have everything more organized. Back from the store, this is what I got. I got these 2 little boxes just to put here on these compartment. I wanted to get more 2 of these, but I couldn't find them there, so probably we'll get there tomorrow to see if they have more. But I got these to put under the little thing, and I got some stuff to do DIYs just because, you know, I don't have enough materials already. So yeah, let's go. It's another day and it's almost 11 p.m. and yeah, I finished work, then I had dinner, and just now I am able to continue organizing the bedroom. It's been chaotic just sleeping here while everything is so all over the place. So I decided not to wait for tomorrow because I don't know how the work is going to be. Yes, I'm wearing my boyfriend's PJs. I'm sorry. I feel so comfortable with them. Right now what I want to tackle, it's just my desk. I want to organize all my pencils, my pens, my brushes. I want to organize all the cables because tech drawer that I like to call, it's chaotic, full of cables, full of cameras, full of, I don't even know like what's inside of it, because everything that is technological for me, it's in there, like everything. So I just thought that I would do that now, just because I really want to get my desk organized, since it's the place where I work, and then I shall see if I have energy to tackle everything else. If not, tomorrow I have to find a way to, but let's do it. Hi, welcome to a weird angle of my bedroom. Hi guys, it is the day after. I'm sorry, I'm still on my PJs. I'm doing a lot of organization this morning, so I'm gonna show you. This is the state of the closet. As you can see, I really do need more 2 of these just to stack them here and to organize everything that's going on there. And then I have to find places to organize everything that is here. I also have cleared these two places, so they're good to go. I'm just going to show you now how the desk looks like. I don't know if I showed you yesterday. So this is the first drawer. As you can see, I have my pencils, some things that I used to do bullet journal, then markers. Then I have just here some random stuff that I don't know where the box is. Here I have pens, like blue pens and black pens. Then I just have here some more things, some glue, things that I need to just use on my small business, and it's good to just have that just right away. Then if you go like here, you have all my highlighters, the ones that aren't currently here. Then I have here my phone stand, just because I use it a lot, so it's just easier to just have it here. And you come to the next drawer and you just have these two compartments that I showed you, where I just have things for my small business. So have this drawer with just some notebooks. This is my manifestation notebook, and some rulers, and then these two pencil cases, also my pencils, and yeah, just some random stuff, honestly. Then the big whoa is just these, my cables drawer. So here are some charging cables that I use currently and a lot, then my just little camera. Here are all my headphones, earphones, then all my phone cases. Comment down below if you want to see a phone case collection, my hard drives, and then some more things like microphone, a little tripod over there. So yeah. And then on these last one, nothing really. This is just some props for me taking more photos. And then I just have my projector and then the Google Home Chromecast thing. So guys, I finally bought these ones that I wanted. The ones that I wanted actually were just with two big ones, but they weren't available, so I'd rather just have more compartments than nothing. So I bought these two, and now I'm just going to open them and put them on the closet so we can see and rearrange things. And yeah, I'm super excited. The last thing that we are going to be doing probably it's just labeling, but I'm so excited about that. But yeah, let's go. So much better. I'm going to be taking my paintings and everything out of here and put in one of these boxes, just because I feel like the candles will just take up more storage. So I'm just going to do a quick exchange here. So guys, that was the video. Now I can have everything organized and I feel so much better. I feel like whenever you have a clean space, you also have a clean mind. And this is from my last YouTube video. If you didn't see, please watch. It's kind of an introduction for this video. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Kind of random, I think, but honestly just makes such a difference, and you can just utilize this kind of idea of like structuring your closet for your own necessities. For example, having for school supplies or for your own small business like me, and also DIYs, but you can just, you know, reuse this technique for anything that you'd like to be organized. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Stay safe and stay happy.